Hopefully it's today and not tomorrow. I will call again because
which would have been right opposite the
before the
She turned 40.
That was yesterday.
I'll show you this.
younger ones. Come in.
He gets shopping food, what is food, what is preferences, other ego seekers. And then he's alright for again now.
Loneliness. At times, breakfast together, lunch
Adriana. So I don't think it's Thank you. It's his birthday today. Afterwards. Yeah.
Okay, this is his older brother.
Racket square.
Taught me how to play chess.
to me. No personal talk. No concept. No introduction now. Now we have to introduce ourselves to God Himself. All of us, please be attentive and listen to what I say and listen to the mantras these boys will recite. We have gathered here today to perform a Shanti Yajna for the departed soul, Mata Kamla ji. We all pray that the soul rests in peace, or wherever she is, wherever the soul is, and we do believe that she must be in a good journey, in a good rebirth, because we all Hindus believe in rebirth. By now she must have gone into some other birth, and we do believe that with the family background we have, with the actions and the deeds she performed, and we do believe that God in His own justice must have given her a good journey, a good rebirth in any good family again. Although we do not know, we cannot know that where she is, but wherever she is in peace. That is our belief. Okay? Please switch off your phones or keep them on silent mode. My own is in silent mode. All of us, otherwise we will be distracting ourselves. We have to concentrate our minds, and our minds should be directed only towards God. Nobody else at this time. No relations, no friends, no business, nothing. Only towards God, so that we pray for the peace of the departed soul. What we are going to perform here is no namaste, because now we are sitting before God. Namaste will be after we finish this day. No namaste to anybody. Well, we are going to perform this yajna or yajna. It's also known as Agnihotra. It's known by many names: Om, Homa, Agnihotra, Yajna, Havan. There are so many names it is known by. And it is one of the 5 essential duties which have been prescribed for every Hindu to be performed daily. The first one is prayer to God. Sit in silence in a peaceful manner. Pray to God for a few minutes or for an hour, whatever time you have. That is the first duty, that is called Sandhya or Brahmyajit. This is second duty, performing Havan, Agnihotra. Third duty is towards our parents. What we do normally in Hinduism, we perform their shraddhs after they have left this place. But while they are alive, many of us don't care for them. So Atithi, the Pitri Yaj, it's called Pitri Yaj, care for your parents. Then the fourth is Atithi Yaj. If some unknown or uninvited even wise man comes to some Brahman comes to your place, do feed him or her, whatever it is. And the fifth one is caring for the nature, for the small birds, for the cow, for the ants and others, those who cannot feed themselves. That is the fifth duty, that's also there. Now this Agnihotra, as I told you, is called by the name Homa and Home also. A house, that is my belief, I may be wrong. A house becomes a home only if home is performed there. Otherwise, it's only a house. If you perform home, if you respect your parents, if you take care of your parents, if you feed the cow, if you feed the animals, other animals, if you treat your guests properly, then only that house becomes a home. Otherwise, it's only a house. So this is Agnihotra. Now, before I start, I'll give you some background of Agnihotra. This is a ritual and it's called a fire ritual also. It's now being performed almost all over the world. In USA also there are many people who have made a shorter form of it. Here we have a very long form and very short form also. And there's one Dr. Hernandez, Abel Hernandez and Dr. Ulrich in Germany. I'm in touch with all of them. They are performing a very brief Havan, just 2 oblations, 2 mantras in the morning and 2 in the evening. But they are doing it, they are propagating it now. And this is not a ritual only, this is a scientific act also, scientific deed also. Now, many of you are here from the medical professions. You know that all diseases spread by bacteria. And by performing this Agnihotra, the herbs we add in this Havan Samagri or the ghee, when they sublimate, they create substances like alcohols, aldehydes, formaldehydes, and formaldehydes you know you use in operation theatres for sanitization of the theatre. So the bacteria in the environment is destroyed by performing this for 1 hour. There have been experiments on this in India and abroad. There is an Institute of National Botanical Research Institute in Lucknow in India. It's a Government of India institute. They performed an experiment. They performed this Agnihotra in a closed room for 1 hour. And they had noted the bacterial count in the environment before that, and also the types of bacteria. They had counted some 30 types of bacteria were present in the pathogens. They were plant pathogens basically. They were present in the environment. And after 1 hour of performing this Agnihotra with specified Havan Samagri, not with any Havan Samagri available in the market, with specified Havan Samagri, they found that the bacterial count in the air had come down by 95%. It remained only 5% there. And in the closed room, that effect of 95% destruction of pathogens continued for at least 24 hours. And certain species of the pathogens were absent in that room even up to 30 days. So that is the impact of, this is a science. This is not a ritual. This is not a dharmic karma only. This is a science, and this has been practiced by our rishis since the beginning of this universe. And they were all, this science was given to us by Vedas. And our rishis were really scientists who prescribed this to be a daily routine or a daily ritual in every home, because they wanted to keep our environment free of pathogens and keep the environment disease free. Even now, some allopaths even, they are performing this Agnihotra to cure some diseases. Some experiments have been carried out in Haridwar. And recently at the Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College in Ajmer, they have also found the same thing, that about 90 to 95% pathogens were destroyed in 1 hour of Agnihotra. And in Haridwar, there is an institute, Gayatri Parivar. They have treated tuberculosis cases with the help of Agnihotra without any allopathic medicine. Because when you inhale the vapors, they are more effective than giving oral medicine. You are aware, you give nebulizers. You nebulize a person if his chest is congested. The oral medicine may not work. But when you nebulize that patient, you get quick recovery. Similarly, here you are inhaling an antibacterial substance. When you inhale it, it goes into your lungs, it goes into the body and treats you. The basic principle is treat the environment and the environment will treat you. Keep the environment pathogen free, you will be alright. So with that in mind, and also it's a prayer, we recite mantras also, we are praying also to God, we are praying for the peace of the departed soul. So all that is a scientific ritual, it's a scientific karma. We are performing it today, and I hope now everybody has understood the importance, and therefore don't distract your mind to anywhere else. Just concentrate on this Havan Kund, and if you are closing your eyes, then concentrate on God Himself. This boy has been with us for 11-12 years, is a collegian going for higher education, but he knows how to perform Havana. He has been going to many places to perform Havan, and he will start it now. Please. We first start with Gayatri Mantra. All of us are aware of Gayatri Mantra. Let us recite. Om Bhurvubhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimani Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodaya. Okay, Achman. Both of you can pick up this pot, keep it in your left hand, and take a small amount of water on your right hand palm. Both of you can share with your spouse also. After he recites the mantra, you have to sip it, and this will be done 3 times. Okay? Boliye.
Om Amrito Pascharanamase Swaha.
Sip it. Take it again.
Om Amrita Pidhanamase Swaha.
3rd time.
Om Satyam Yashaha Shrimai Shri Shrayatam Swaha.
Now, with a little water, wash your this right hand and just throw the water behind or somewhere. Throw it here. Now take water in your left hand. Take little water in your left hand. Left hand में ले लीजिए पानी. Take it in your left hand. And look at me with your these 2 fingers. The center, middle and this. You have to dip it every time and touch your various organs and follow me in that. Okay? First lips, then nose, then eyes, then ears, shoulders and knees. Okay.
Om Vangme Asyastu. Om Nasur me Pranoastu. Om Aksharor me Chaksharastu. Om Karnyor me Srotramastu. Om Bahur me Balamastu. Om Murvur me Ojastu. Om Arishtane Mengane Janastanva me Sahasantu.
But before starting it, we have prayed to God. All our organs, wherever we have touched, they may always be healthy. And why only? Wherever we have not touched also, we have sprinkled water all over our body. So Arishtani me Angani, all my body parts may be strong and healthy throughout. That's the prayer we are starting with. Okay? Now.
Om Vishwani Deva Savitra Duritani Parasuva Yadbhadram Tanna Asuva Om Hiranya Garbha Samavartata Bhutasya Jata Patireka Asid Sadadhara Prithivim Dyamute Mankasmai Devaya Havisha Vidhema Om Ya Atmada Balada Yasya Vishwa Upasate Prashisham Yasya Devaha Yasya Chaya Amritam Yasya Mrityuh Kasmai Devaya Havisha Vidhema Om Yah Pranato Nivishato Mahitvaika Hitraja Jagato Babhuva Ya Ishe Asya Dvipadasya Tushpadaha Kasmai Deva Yah Visha Vidhema Om Yena Tyorukra Prithve Jadrina Yena Swahastabhitam Yena Nakaha Yo Antarikshe Rajaso Vimanah Kasmai Devaya Visha Vidhema Om Prajapate Natvadetanyo विश्वा जातानि परिता बभूव यत्कामास्ते जुहुमस्तन्नो अस्तु वयं स्याम पतयोरयेणाम् ॐ स नो बन्धुर्जनिता सविधाता धामानि वेद भुवनानि विश्वा यत्र देवा अमृतमानशानास्तृतीये धामन्यधैरयन्ता ॐ अग्नेन यसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोधस्मजुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम इतेश्वर स्तुति प्रार्थना उपासना मंत्र
Just now we light the lamp. You will do that.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha.
Cut that spoon and light this camphor with it.
Om Bhurbhuvah Spatyo Deva Bhumna Prithvi Vavarna तस्यास्ते पृथ्वी देव यजने पृष्ठे अग्निमन्नादमन्नाद्याय दधे
तुम नजदीक हो जाओ
ओम उद्बुद्धस्वाग्ने प्रतिजाग्रहे त्वमिष्टा पूर्तेशं सृजेथामयं च अस्मिन् सधस्ते अद्युतरस्मिन् विश्वे देवाय जमानश्च सीदता
Vinod ji and Mrs. Vinod, please take one stick at a time, dip it in the ghee, and then at the end of the mantra, place it inside. Both of you, you also. You have 3 sticks over there. Keep all the 3 on your table. This will be done 3 times with 3 mantras.
Om Mayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastene Dhasya Vardhasvachetya Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchase Nanatyena Samidhaya Swaha Idam Agnay Jatve Sedannamamam Om Samidhagnim Duvasyata Kriter Bodhayatadithim अस्मिन् हव्याजुहोतना ॐ सुसमिधाय शोचिषे कृतं तीव्रं जुहोतना अग्नये जातवेदसे स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये जातवेदसे नमः ॐ तन्त्वा समिद्भिरङ्गिरो घृतेन वर्धयामसे बृहच्छोचाय विष्ठा स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये
Now, Vinodji and Anilji will pick up the spoon, and after he recites the mantra, only one of you, not the spouse. After he finishes, when he says Swaha, after that you have to pour some ghee here.
Om Ayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastene Dhasya Vardhasvachetya Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchase Nanatyena Samidhaya Swaha Idam Agnay Jatve Sedannamama.
When he has to, he slows down at the end of the mantra. So that's an indication that now you have to pour. Okay?
Om Ayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastene Dhasya Vardhasvachetya Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchase Nanatyena Samidhaya Swaha Idam Agnay Jatve Sedannamama Om Ayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastene Dhasya Vardhasvachetya Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchase Nanatyena Samidhaya Swaha Idam Agnay Jatve Sedannamama Om Ayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastene Dhasya Vardhasvachetya Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchase Nanatyena Samidhaya Swaha अग्नये चात्वेसे नमः ॐ अयन्तायन्मयात्मा चात्वेदस्तेने धस्य वरदस्मच्चेत्य वरधया चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मा वर्चसे नान्नाद्येन समेधया स्वाहा इदम् अग्नये चात्वेसे नमः
Leave it here. Either no, yeah, you can do it. You will sprinkle water around this thermocol. The purpose is that no chemicals and insects they come here and get killed in this. That's why now it has already been heated to some extent, and this is a state when we should protect the chemicals and insects and ants coming here. So it's water. Okay.
Om Aditena Manyasva Om Anumatena Manyasva Om Saraswatyena Manyasva Om Devasavita Prashuvayajam Prashuvayajapatiam Bhagaya Divyo Gandharvake Tapoke Tam Na Punatu Vachaspatirvacham Na Swadhatu
Even you can come back here, take photo. Again, oblation with ghee, and the first oblation will be on your left side, second will be on your right side. You can also follow accordingly. Thereafter in the center.
Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Nandamama Om Somaya Swaha Idam Somaya Nandamama Om Prajapate Swaha Idam Prajapate Nandamama Om Indraya Swaha Idam Indraya Nandamama Om
पानी डालो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया जितना पानी डालो नीचे पानी डालो ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है ये कम करा पानी मत डालो वो लीक कर रहा है लीक हो रहा है फटा हुआ है लीक कर रहा है हाँ हाँ तो अब थोड़ा लीक डाल देंगे थोड़ी थोड़ी ये आएंगे now with the rest of the mantra the male partner will hold ghee and the female partner will
स्वाहा इदम अग्ने प्राणाय दिन्दममा ओम भुवर्वायव्यापानाय स्वाहा इदम वायव्यापानाय दिन्दममा ओम स्वरादित्याय व्यानाय स्वाहा इदम आदित्याय व्यानाय दिन्दममा ओम भूर्भुवः स्वरग्निवायवादित्येभ्यः प्राणापानव्यानेभ्यः स्वाहा इदम अग्निवायवादित्येभ्यः प्राणापानव्यानेभ्यः दिन्दममा ओम आपो ज्योतिरसो अमृतं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरोम स्वाहा ओम यां मेधां देवगणा पितरश्च उपासते तया मामद्यमेधयाग्ने मेधाविनं कुरु स्वाहा ओम विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुवा यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुवा स्वाहा ओम अग्नेन यसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोधस्म जुहोराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम स्वाहा
Now, next 10 mantras will be for the each of the recorded souls. So let us concentrate on that. शांतिकरण के पहले 5 आखिरी 5।
ॐ सन इन्द्राग्ने भवतामवोभे सन इन्द्रावरुणा रातहव्या शमिन्द्रा सोमा सविताय संयो सन इन्द्रा पूषणा वाजसातौ स्वाहा। ॐ शनो भगा समुना शंसो अस्तु सना पुरन्धे समसन्तुरायः सना सत्यस्या सुयमस्या शंसा सन्नो अर्यमा पुरजातो अस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ सनो धाता समुद्धर्तानो अस्तु सना उरुचे भवतु स्वधाभे शम्रोदशे बृहते सन्नो अद्रे सन्नो देवानां सुहवानि सन्तु स्वाहा। ॐ शन्नो अग्निर्ज्योतिरनीको अस्तु शन्नो मित्रावरुणा वश्विनाशं सना सुकृतां सुकृतानि सन्तु सना इशिरो अभिवातु वातः स्वाहा। ॐ शन्नो द्यावा पृथिवी पूर्वहुतौ शमन्तरिक्षं दृशयेनो अस्तु सना औषधिर्वनिनो भवन्तु सनो रजसस्पतिरस्तु जिष्णु स्वाहा। ॐ द्यौ शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि स्वाहा। ॐ तच्चक्षुर्देवहितं पुरस्तात् शुक्रमुच्चरत् पश्येम शरदः शतं जीवेम शरदः शतं शृणुयाम शरदः शतं प्रब्रवाम शरदः शतं भूयश्च शरदः शतात् स्वाहा। ॐ यज्जाग्रतो दूरमुदैति देवं तदुसुप्तस्य तथैवैति दूरङ्गमं ज्योतिषां ज्योतिरेकं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ येन कर्माण्यपशो मनीषिणो यजे कृण्वन्ति विदथेषु धीरः यदपूर्वं यक्षमन्ता प्रजानां तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ यत्प्रजानमुत चेतो धृतिश्च ज्योतिरन्तरमृतं प्रजासु यस्मान्नरिते किञ्चन क्रियते तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ येने देवं भुवदं भविष्यत् परिगृहीतममृतेन सर्वं येन यजस्तायते सप्तहोत्तम तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ यस्मिन् ऋचा सामयजोंषे यस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठिता रथना भाविवारः यस्मिन् चित्तं सर्वमोतं प्रजानां तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ सुषारथिरश्वानि वयन् मनुष्यान् नेनीयते भेषुभिर्वाचिन इव हृत्प्रतिष्ठं यदजिरं जविष्ठं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ सनः पवस्व सङ्गवेशं जनाय समर्वते सम्राजन्नोषधेभ्यः स्वाहा। ॐ अभयं नाकर्त्यन्तरिक्षम् अभयं द्यावा पृथिवी उभे इमे अभयं पश्चादभयं पुरस्तादुत्तरादधरादभयं नोऽस्तु स्वाहा। ॐ अभयं मित्रादभयं मित्रादभयं ज्ञाताद्यभयं परोक्षात् अभयं नक्तमभयं दिवाना सर्वा आशा मम मित्रं भवन्तु स्वाहा।
With this, we have offered oblations with selected mantras from all the 4 Vedas. There are 4 Vedas. We started with Rigveda mantras, then we came to Yajurveda, came to Samveda, and last mantra is from the Atharvaveda. So we have offered mantras of oblations by reciting thereafter everybody will speak 3 times and thereafter Purnamurti.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat Swaha.
Om Sarvam Vai.
Om Sarvam Vai Purnam Swaha. Om Sarvam Vai Purnam Swaha. Om Sarvam Vai Purnam Swaha.
That's it. You want me to move it further? No. The minimum we have done. And anybody आरती करें? हम जय जगदीश करें? Okay, this is done. You can leave the आरती सबको आती होगी? ओम जय जगदीश हरे? Okay, सब बोलेंगे. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे, भक्त जनों के संकट आर्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करें. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, जो ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख बिन से मन का, स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, कष्ट मिटे तन का. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, माता पिता तुम मेरे, शरण कहूँ मैं किसकी, स्वामी शरण कहूँ मैं किसकी, तुम बिन और न दूजा, प्रभु बिन और न दूजा, आस करूँ मैं किसकी. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, तुम सबके स्वामी. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, स्वामी तुम पालन करता. मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी, मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी, कृपा करो बरता. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, तुम हो एक अगोचर, सबके प्राणपति, स्वामी सबके प्राणपति. किस विधि मिलूं दया में, किस विधि मिलूं दया में, तो मुझको सुमति. ओम जय जगदीश हरे, दीन बंधु दुख हरता, तुम रक्षक मेरे, स्वामी तुम रक्षक मेरे. करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, शरण कदम तेरे. ओम जय जगदीश हरे,
बढ़ाओ, श्रद्धा धैर्य बढ़ाओ, संतन की सेवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
ओवर सर। अब हम देखिए एक बात आपको बता दे रहा हूँ, बैठ जाइएगा, बैठ जाइए। आमतौर पे आरती आप बोलते हैं ना, तो उसमें जो आता है जो एक लाइन है, किस अरे भाई क्यों, किस विध मिलूं दया में उनको मैं सुमति। हम सुमति क्यों अपने आप को कहेंगे? हम ये कहेंगे हमको दो सुमति। हमने इसको मॉडिफाई किया हुआ है, उनको दो सुमति। चलिए अब ये हो गया। अब हम 2 मिनट के लिए साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व करेंगे और सब अपने अपने मन में पूज्य माता जी के लिए, उनकी शांति के लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व करते हुए। साइलेंस का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि बिल्कुल खाली होकर बैठ जाना, नो। प्रे फॉर द डिपार्टेड सोल व्हाइल यू आर इन साइलेंस। व्हेन आई से ओम, वी विल फिनिश इट। इसको बाहर ले जाओ, ठीक है, बाहर ले जाओ। अच्छा मेरा पेरेंट कर रहे थे ना नहीं होगा
नहीं 2 मिनट
चलिए छाती काट करके वो क्या है प्रदीप जी का वो क्या है पगड़ी वगैरह का कुछ है क्या
Buddy Mossy can speak now.
Sorry.
Sunny want to say Mossy, Buddy Mossy. You're going to speak on behalf of Bordeaux Mossy. And they're going to speak on behalf of Bordeaux Mossy. I asked them.
आगे चल गई
पहले कभी खुद नहीं बात तो रेडीमेड देता हूँ रेडीमेड आपकी जो
Buddy Mossy is going to say a few words. My Mossy, 3 Mossies are going to say a few words.
नहीं आएंगे हम आपके पास
Excuse me, sir.
माइक दे दो आराम से
स्वभाव की थी, किसी से लड़का झगड़ता उसको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था। अगर कोई झगड़ा भी करता तो वो उठ के चली जाती थी, कहती थी तुम झगड़ो मैं तो चली यहाँ से। इतना सा स्वभाव उसका था कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती। उसकी तो तारीफ करना जैसे सूरज को दीपक दिखाना। पहला पहल मुझे अकेली छोड़ के चली।
Sunny? Sunny?
This is a small tribute from my mother, Kamla Mossy. In her tribute to Kamla Mossy, Ma has expressed how Kamla Mossy possessed virtues of a good human being as taught by her the Dharma. In our Sanatan goddess Lakshmi is also known as Kamla, and true to the name, our elder sister Kamla Jiji embodied her grace and virtues. She was a divine and a pious soul. It is said that a person is defined by Mansa, Karma and Vachna. Mansa represents one's thought and ethics, which reflect both the inner self and the external world. Kamla Jiji always had pure and kind thoughts for those around her, rejoicing in their happiness regardless of whether they were old acquaintances or new faces. She embraced life with positivity even during her own difficult times. Karma signifies one's action and deeds. She selflessly served society, offering honorary services at hospitals and care centers, Along with the family, she contributed to the institutions like PHU in India, enhancing facilities for students. She also provided scholarship to deserving students in universities in the US. Now, the third one, Vachna, refers to one word which mirrors their thought process. It is said that spoken words like arrows cannot be taken back once released. In all my memories, I never heard Kamla Jiji speak ill of anyone. She never raised her voice in anger, always choosing kindness. She had a calming presence, even in moments of conflict, whether within the family or in social surroundings. In Kanpur, she was among the very few whom Kishorji, my husband, would listen to and respect. Like my other elder sisters, Kamla Jiji was deeply protective and caring towards me. My happiness and well-being were always close to her heart. She called me every week and inquired my well-being in every aspect. Kanpur या Delhi में होंगी, then she would say, Primil, चल मेरे साथ कहीं घूमने. And the second sentence that was usual for her was, Primil, तुम ठीक हो ना? These words echoed in every phone call, and they still resonate in my heart. Kamla Jiji and I made a memorable trip to Australia and Singapore today. As I remember Kamla Jiji, I also cherish the love and care of Sarla Jiji and Sushila Jiji, who treated me not just as their youngest sibling, but as their own daughter. Kamla Jiji's philosophy of life: live in such a way that people remember you for your deeds and thoughts, perfectly encapsulates her presence. I deeply missed her on the 6th Feb when everyone gathered at Diblu's house, reminiscing about the cherished memories of Masjid Kazur, a place she lived and loved. Now, she's up there with Chacha, Amma, Bhaiya, Bhabi, Sarla Jiji, Sushila Jiji and Kishore Ji, watching over me and praying for me. I know that my successful recovery after surgery is because of their blessings and the grace of the Almighty. Kamla Jiji, you live in my heart and will always remain my guide. No words are enough to express our warmth. Pranam, Kamla Jiji.
Anybody else?
सबको नमस्कार. Today, Kamla Mausi is not here, but I see her legacy in the form of the family, Veenu Bhai, Adrina Bhabi, Poonam Bhabi, and their children. Though a profound void has created in the family by the loss of Kamla Mausi, as well as my other Mausis, they were the glue of the family who used to hold them together in ups and downs and various critical and difficult times. Kamla Mausi, as the name suggests, she embodies her name, Goddess Lakshmi, who appears on the lotus. Goddess Lakshmi is true embodiment of perfection, care and love that implies on her. She was a very simple, loving, caring soul. She was very compassionate, very empathetic. I had so many, at present I have so many vivid memories of her. I think the time will fall short of if I keep on explaining them all. But few of them which I still remember, that whenever, like as a child, I used to look forward for her visit to India, because for me she was America Wali Mausi. And whenever she used to come, we used to look forward for various get-togethers, lunch party, dinner party, and picnics, outings. She was a great organizer for all these functions, ceremonies, birthdays, parties. She used to arrange with full zeal and enthusiasm, and I won't deny admitting so many things of the culture of US we learned through her. The knowledge was deciphered to her. She, in fact, we were not aware of the potluck parties which she initiated, and
she was so caring and compassionate. From the oldest member of the family to the youngest generation, she used to bring the gifts, and which I think it is a humongous task for her to decide appropriate gift, appropriate things for everyone with the feeling and emotions, and with so much things were attached to that. I still remember she gifted me a wristwatch, and she created a scene like it was a lucky dip. She used to make everything as a function, as a lucky dip, something you have got. So I was so elated, and for days and months I realized I got through lucky dip. But later on realized it was planted. She knew she has to give that gift to me. So she created like a part small lucky day. Oh, Vipti, you have got the gift. So these are the fond memories. And I was night show with her, and she was a true guide to me, like how you have to walk, how you have to behave, how you have to. अरे लड़की तुम्हें तो ऐसे करना चाहिए, अरे लड़की, मतलब these were the typical things I could recall, and these things keep on coming in my mind when I think of Kamla Mausi at this. And I was lucky enough, and I am blessed that I have stayed with her in Daryaganj, and we used to travel to Chandni Chowk in rickshaw and used to eat nagadi kachori and with the small dona, and she was so fond of. It was a lovely experience. And besides all these things, my mother was extremely attached. My kids, Shafali, Shubham, even they are so much attached. They felt very sorry for the loss, and my daughter was continuously used to talk to her when she used to meet Kamla Mausi and Shubham. And I think till 1.5 or 2 years back, she used to give me a call and say, "Arey Babita, ye bata teri mummy khati kyun nahi? Why she doesn't eat? Why she doesn't eat? She is losing weight. Usko kuch samajh nahi aata. Why she is not walking?" These are the emotional attachment among all these sisters have, and I feel Chandravati Parivar is a closely knitted. We all are closely knitted, though separated by distances, work, or families not with the blood. When you show up, they all have shown up in the difficult times and every time, and I am really blessed and happy that I am being part of this, and Mausi and my various Mausajis, which they have really touched my heart, and it is my heartfelt tribute to Mausi, and I want to celebrate her life as a person which so much enigmatic aura and such a lovely life she lived, and I want that her legacy should be taken forward by the family. And these are my words. I know soul is eternal, unborn and indestructible, but where are you, Mausi, at any highest realm? I hope you will be in a very happy state and blessing us with divine power and wishes. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Even I want to share one anecdote which was being shared by my mother, Urmila, and she happens to be the younger sister of Kamla Mausi. Like, she is my Mausi. So yesterday only I was talking to my mummy, and she said, "Reena, like, I want to thank Kamla Mausi for her intuitive power." I said, "What happened actually?" Then she said, "Reena, like, there were so many marriage proposals which were coming to me, and I was turning them one after another, thinking that I'll get a better match, you know. And finally when Kamla Mausi came to India, and then she said, Ki Urmil, you need to say yes to this boy. Now it's all done." And then she said yes to my father, and for that, and you know, like, my father, Mr. Brij Kumar Rogi, he turned out to be the gem of the person, and me, my sisters and mummy are thankful for Kamla Mausi for giving such a nice father, husband, and a person. So that's a very, you know, a unique memories in our hearts. And obviously I second whatever Sunny and Vipi Didi said. She was a simple, caring, happy-going person who was always ready to sprinkle the happy dust around, and she'll always stay in our hearts. And that's all I want to share. And she used to call Veenu Bhaiya and Anil Bhaiya as her Anmol Ratna. Yesterday she told me yesterday when I was talking to Mama. That's all I. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Purohit का भी काम होता है. Purohit has also to give some. The Science of Agnihotra. This is my book, and I'll request your comments also on this later on after you have gone through it. Anil ji ko bhi just a minute. Both of you are medicals, and I will request your comments on this. Brigadier sir.
If it's okay, I'm going to just speak for चाहे कितना भी कोई ज़्यादा पढ़ ले, उनका मुकाबला कोई नहीं कर सकता. My mother could not be matched by anybody else, no matter how educated they might have felt. जो अब सारा लोगों ने बताया कि कितनी अच्छी थी, किसी की बुराई नहीं करती थी. My mother never said anything bad of anybody. That's a very unusual characteristic. सब लोग नहीं कर सकते इस तरह से. जब वो 1957 में अमेरिका गई थी, she came to the United States in 1957. I was 3 years old. I had not seen my father. She was all alone in a country, leaving this family all alone in a room. No radio, no television, no phone, completely isolated. I mean, I can't imagine being able to handle this psychologically. Itna akelapan is family ke baad. And at that time, no rice, no chapati, no flour, no vegetables. In a country where if you didn't eat beef and potatoes, you were really considered like a Martian. So she came to a country वो आई बिल्कुल अकेलापन. आजकल जैसे थोड़ी ना है कि किसी को फोन कर लो, फेस टाइम कर लो. और कितने साल इस तरह से अकेली नहीं. I don't know, कोई और तो पागल हो जाता इतना आइसोलेशन में. लेकिन सालों बाद कभी complain नहीं करा. She never complained years later about how alone she was. And it was her sacrifice and my father's sacrifice that allowed us to be anything and to have such wonderful spouses. So उनके बिना हम कुछ नहीं हो सकते थे. आपके बिना हम कुछ नहीं हो सकते थे. तो फिर I'm sure कि अन्नी, पूनम, एड्रियाना और मेरी तरफ से सबको धन्यवाद. सबको धन्यवाद. Thank you for coming today.
I am their elder sister from Dadi's side, and I think मैं इस टाइम सबसे बड़ी वो मैं ही हूँ उस साइड से. तो we miss mommy very much. I can't say anything.
Forgive me, I'll speak in English because my Hindi's not good.
Ammi was a very kind and gentle soul. She loved all family. She loved her friends. And in Buffalo, New York, she built a community. There weren't many Indians there. And our house was always full of dinners and parties, Diwali and other functions. And then she helped start a temple in Buffalo. So what she was doing was taking the best of India and the best of America and building a new model. And she had just pure love for everybody. And she loved everybody here and those not in attendance. Especially as you've heard, the 6 sisters. Just amazing sisters, and her brother. All her nephews and nieces she treated like sons and daughters. And all their children, she treated them like granddaughters and grandsons. And I think she had amazing courage, as my brother said, but she never complained. And in that way, I think she had a vision. And that vision was to keep moving forward. And nothing gave her greater joy than when her family succeeded, and her friends succeeded, and the community built up. She was truly a flower. She was the seed for plants, she was the seed for trees. But there was sadness in her life. You know, she lost her father, her Nanaji, at only age 30. She couldn't come to the funeral for her mother, our Nani. And then, you know, of course she lost our father at a very young age, only 60. And she persevered, but, you know, we know she suffered because she lost him. And you know, we don't know about souls, but I think if there's any soul, if my father and mother are reunited now, then we're happy. She loved Poonam and Adriana. She really loved her 5 grandchildren. You know, if Pai and I didn't take care of the 5 grandchildren, you know, she would just yell at us. And then she was blessed to have 3 great-grandchildren. That was icing on the cake. An example of her infinite patience is how could she put up with her 2 sons? If she can put up with her 2 sons, then, you know, that says a lot about her. And I'm just happy that we're together, and we're happy. I'm happy that she's with my father. Their personalities were very different. She, dancing, partying, friendly, socializing. He was very serious. They were polar opposites. But somehow they came together and made a great team. And that team was united for a vision. And I think they can be happy that they succeeded, and now they're together. I think my mother's probably dancing, and my father's probably reading and writing. And so thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, this is a sad occasion, but it's also, she wouldn't have wanted it to only be a sad occasion. I think she would have very much enjoyed, and again, we thank you for everybody coming and to say such nice things about her. The one joke I'll leave is that, and it's a joke from an American comedian, she said her father had died, he'd gone to heaven, he rests in peace. Mother died, similar story. She said, now my mother's up there, my father will no longer rest in peace. Thank you.
Well, yaar, कहते हैं Anil bhai and Vinu bhai, I do not know, but I want to say one thing which
See, as far as Kamla Mausi was concerned, everyone has its memories along with her. Every visit of her was a different one. एंड एज दीप्ति दीदी सेड ना कि यू नो लाइक अमेरिका से मौसी आ रही हैं, सो वो एक मेमोरी जो थी ना वो कभी भूली नहीं जा सकती, क्योंकि कमिंग फ्रॉम अमेरिका कि हमको ये होता था, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलते थे मेरी मौसी आ रही है, हम जा रहे हैं दिल्ली, या मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी होती थी क्योंकि मेरे पापा उन्हीं से डरते थे। मतलब शी वॉज वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू पीपल, जैसे आई हैव नॉट सीन सबसे बड़े मौसा जी, आई हैव नॉट सीन बड़ी मौसी एंड कमला मौसी, इनसे वो जो कह देंगी सुनते थे। तो जब भी वो कानपुर आती थी तो मुझे ये लगता था कि एज ए हनीमून पीरियड, और अब मेरे बाप चाहे कुछ भी कह लें उससे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, क्योंकि शी इज द सेवियर फॉर मी। सो दिस इज वन थिंग। बट मैं बस एक चीज चाहता हूँ कि जो आपने कहा 6 सिस्टर्स, आज हमारे नाना के पापा सालिग्राम जी के वंशज बैठे हुए हैं, मतलब एवरीवन, दे आर मेनी जो चंद्रवती खानदान को बिलोंग नहीं करते हैं, चाचा मम्मी और मतलब मौसी के चाचा लोगों को भी बिलोंग करते हैं, वो भी यहाँ आए हैं आज। मैं सिर्फ इतना चाहता हूँ रीनू भैया, जो बॉन्ड इन 6 बहनों ने हम भाई बहनों में दिया है वो हम लोग की जिंदगी के अंत तक तो रहना चाहिए। इट शुड लास्ट टिल वी ब्रेथ आवर लास्ट। ये बॉन्ड मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप दोनों से, मतलब शी वॉज दी स्ट्रिंग एंड डोंट लूज दैट स्ट्रिंग। दिस आई वांट टू से।
Hope you guys also visit here like Kamla Mausi did used to. And we say हमारे अमेरिका वाले भाई आ गए। No, I just said that these people keep the promise as Sunny suggested and keep on coming here to India, if not everywhere, every year, at least alternate years with their spouses and maybe with their children. And I want to add that I've been thinking about it ever since I organized this occasion, as if I'm not doing a memorial meeting for Mausi, as if I'm doing a festive thing for Mausi. Yes. All the time I have that feeling, and I hope I request all of you to go out, have the prasad or lunch is outside, so please go along. We have the stars there. You can give your respect to Mausi.
मैम उधर से आ जाओ ना। हाँ
पार्टी के लिए चांदनी चौक बनाना सबका नाम
वन बाय वन।
Now,
कोई नहीं आइए प्लीज करो।
यही काम कर रहे हो।
Fine. Wait, sir. Wait. You sit here. All everything. No work. Wait.
Keep on adding.
प्रतिष्ठा, रुचिका, प्रतिष्ठा कहाँ है?
लड़ाई हो जाएगी।
रुचिका आओ।
Godfather movie. People calling people.
Fine.
Yes, now.
Sir, please.
अभी 70-80 आदमी और आ रहे हैं।
बुलाते रहिए सब, बुलाते रहिए। प्लीज, अरे और भी आओ ना। अरे हाथ पीछे कर।
हाथ पर करें।
अरे नहीं, सब कुछ लोग आपके बैक साइड में, उनको देख लीजिए ना। आगे वाइड है।
कैसे आएंगे पीछे लोगों को कैसे बताइए। एक काम करें, हम आगे आ जाते, बैठ जाते आगे।
अरे नहीं, पीछे भी बहुत है अभी, उनको आगे बताओ।
कैसे एडजस्ट
थोड़ा वाइड, थोड़ा वाइड। ओके भाई, बच्चे वालों की आगे बोलो ना, आगे आ जाओ बस। ओके फाइन, बस फाइन प्लीज। ओके यस प्लीज सर, प्लीज यस फाइन यस।
चंद्रवती परिवार।
Yes, final. Thank you.
Okay. Good idea.
Good idea.